Hi, good morning. It's Jane Hardy here at the Fox in Farnham. Just attended a fabulous networking meeting with our very own Jen, who's our gorgeous group leader. Jen, would you like to introduce yourself?
Oh, thank you very much. So, hi everyone, I'm Jenny Thomas and I'm the group leader at Farnham for Fabulous Networking. Here we are, as Jane says, at the Fox, and we've just finished our networking meeting for today, and we wanted to have a chat with you and share our thoughts with you around how awesome networking has been for us.
Yes, and also, what is your business, Jen?
Yes.
Oh, yes, we all forget the main thing. It's all about business, really.
Right. So when I'm not being a group leader at Farnham for Fabulous Networking, I'm a confidence and career coach, and my business is Revitalise Coaching, and I help people transition from the corporate workspace into something more fulfilling and rewarding for them.
Brilliant. And how did you find Fabulous Networking the first time you ever came to a meeting?
Right, so I was at home working by myself, as you do, and just was starting to feel a bit lonely actually, and a bit kind of unsure of myself and unsure of where I was going. So somebody suggested networking to me, and I found, as was then called, Fabulous Women and Marvellous Men. And as it was just down the road, I thought I couldn't really come up with any more excuses not to go. So I booked on, and it was my very first networking event that I went to, and I was a bit nervous and I didn't really know what to expect. I'd come from a corporate background. I didn't really know anything about networking, and I was really underconfident, and I'm a confidence coach, so I was really nervous. And it was just the most welcoming, friendly group, and I thought, what have I been missing? Why haven't I come before? And that was 18 months ago. So then I became a member, and now I'm group leader.
And you're a fabulous group leader.
Thank you, darling. Thank you.
So why not be like Jen? Put your Bridget Jones big girl knickers on.
Put your big pants on.
And come and join us. We're just like you. Strangers are just friends that you haven't yet met. So bye from me for now.
And bye from me.
Thank you for listening.
See you soon.
See you very soon. Bye.